Hi, it's Steve Moss, Dean Steve Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners. Here's another Chicago Neighborhood Real Estate Minute. Demand for freshly grown, affordable produce is stronger than ever. Many homeowners are growing their own fruits and vegetables, but what if you have a small yard? Finding space outside may prove challenging. Well, here are a few ideas for creating an incredible garden with limited space. Grow upward. Many fruits and vegetables grow well using trellises and stakes. Peas grow well on a trellis with a height of about 3 or 4 inches. Same for zucchini and yellow squash. Tomatoes require a tall stake to anchor them as they grow. Some types of vegetables can also be grown indoors using sunlight streaming through a window. To grow effectively indoors, you'll need a window that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Use window baskets or hanging baskets for these vegetables as well. Ideal veggies for indoor gardening include bush beans, patio tomatoes, carrots, spinach, radishes, and scallions. For more thoughts, read our full blog posts by clicking the link below. You can leave a comment to contact us. You can also find us on Facebook, facebook.com/Chicago Real Estate Team.